welcome to my videos. And as of today's video, it's a day trip to Sukabumi, Indonesia. Before we enter the province, we have to go to here. We have to go past through here, which is the toll checkpoint, which we pay around 10,000 rupiah. And then here we go. I am so in love with this view, and I'm just going to show you the other side of the jendela, and it's so beautiful. Today's main agenda is to have a meeting with my mom's client here, and we chat around 3 hours. And then here we go. This is where they sell plants, and this is like a tourist place, but this is mainly for floral shop basically. Now we arrive here and we have to walk there to our destination, which is the waterfall, but apparently there is no waterfall here. So, and here the trees, big trees, and it's not maintained and it's not clean. So I don't know, maybe we go here at the wrong time. We have paid 15,000 rupiah per person, and I don't know if this worth it or not, and it's not very clean, so we just go here sightseeing, I guess. And yeah, the beautiful flower, I believe.
Ini namanya roots.
And this is a footage of me trying to capture horangi. Horang, hey! So I don't know why there's a lot of horang, and there's kuda. And then after that we went home, but here first we sightseeing the beautiful nature, which is a very naturally, but this is, I don't know, I forgot the name of the mountain. So just enjoy the view and the sound of nature. Before we went home, we got our dinner first, and that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.